What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Hope you guys are getting some stuff done. We have been in here working on the 08, and I didn't really want to bore you guys with putting this all back together. So we are actually done. We're just waiting. We're going to bleed the brakes. We're going to flush out the brake system and get this thing bled, and then we will be done. So we got the front all back together and done, as you guys probably saw. Pads, rotors, calipers, really nothing to it. You know, caliper bolts and mounting bracket bolts, and you're done with the front. The rear went very well. Pretty much same thing. We drove that seal out from the back, put the new seal in, put that back on, tighten that down. I think the torque spec is like 22 foot-pounds, and then you back it off a little bit to make sure that that bearing's not too tight. So we got that done, axle back in, got it resealed up right there, and then pretty much the same thing, caliper brackets, bolts, and the caliper bolts, and then you're pretty much ready to go. So we are done, we are looking good. The rest of the truck is dirty, but that's okay. The brakes are looking fresh. Good buddy Mark is coming by to help us bleed these things out, and he is driving his brand new truck. I say it's brand used, I guess you would say. He's had this thing for quite a while. I'll put some pictures up on the screen. And he completely redid it. It doesn't even look like the same truck. So I think it's a 03 6-speed. He's gone through everything. It's a pretty sweet looking truck. So we're gonna show you guys that. I think he's gonna be here any second, and that's pretty much where we're at, guys. We got a little bit of a late start today, but that was because we're gonna blame John Doc for that, Mr. Calmero. He said that he was gonna be coming by. He bought a new car, some other Trans Camaro, whatever, Pontiac, Grand Prix, I don't even know what the hell it is, but he was supposed to come by. We were supposed to hang out. We were gonna do some burnouts for you guys, but he bailed. He was saying that I was gonna bail, and he ended up bailing. He ended up taking a different way home, so it's all his fault. So we've pretty much been at the shop all day. We got dropped off, and we've been working on this sled. Guys, I know we didn't go over Mark's truck all that much, but he has done so much work. He's got my old exhaust on there, my old intake from the race truck. So those are race proven parts that we put on his truck. So you're gonna be seeing his truck come up in a couple episodes in the future. He's got some other projects that we're probably gonna do here. He's been working on that on his own. Full paint job, redid the seats. It's a 6-speed. It's got, I think from the previous owner, it's got a clutch in it already. So pretty stout truck. I think he put a Smarty on it this week. But while he was here, we got the brakes bled completely. So we are back down on the ground. We are ready to go. We filled up the rear with some AMSOIL. Just a quick peek here. Give you guys a little look. Don't mind the dirty wheels, but everything looks good. And we are pretty much done. We are ready to go. We didn't get to the front pinion seal. We'll probably do that when we change the front end fluid and the transmission fluid. So we'll save that. But this is the AMSOIL fluid that we used. I think it took about seven quarts. So we're good to go. We are we're ready to roll home. We've been here quite a while, kind of hanging out, and it is time to go home. Tomorrow, Sunday, we have a road trip planned that you guys will see where we're gonna go. So make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's gonna be sweet. Hit that like button before you leave, subscribe if you have not already. I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.